Ciao, this is the Global Goals Jam Milano, tackling local challenges that respond to the global goals, sharing solutions, experiences and know-how, using design methods as a common language to break the barriers towards sustainable behavior.
Sprint 1 is the initial moment of the project where we discover people's needs, behaviors and values. And we understand the everyday context of their lives.
Sprint 2, define, synthesizing user research and design debriefs that could be tackled throughout the project.
Sprint number 3, develop. From the research and the analysis of the user, transforming the elements that we found into meaningful concepts.
Sprint number 4, the last one, deliver, is really essential because it's a moment in which scale what we've done, contextualize it. And we bring our value in front of other people.
Milan Global Goals Jam was чудесен.
Harika.
Frizzante.
Divertente.
Багато чата.
Незабутнє. Keep sharing, keep learning and keep caring.